Today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Google Chat. You cannot do this directly in the app, but don't worry, I will show you the easiest way using your Google account. So first you need to open your favorite browser either on your phone or on your PC. Type in accounts.google.com and hit enter. If you are not logged in automatically, go ahead and sign in to your Google account. Once you are logged in, look at the left hand menu and click on people and sharing. Scroll down until you find the contact section. Here you will see a blocked option. Click on it. Now you will see a list of blocked user. To unblock someone, simply click the X next to their name. Your blocked list is now cleared. So you need to go back to Google Chat. You will see that the previously blocked person is back. Click unblock and you will get a confirmation prompt. Refresh the page and you are all set. The person is now successfully unblocked. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.